Hello, today just quick video about new update. It is now possible to change IP address of the instances just with single button click. So now you can click on this button and the IP address of the instance of the proxy will be changed. For this test I've created two Amazon proxies and one Google Cloud. So this feature is working currently only for Amazon and Google Cloud. I will try to add more providers in the future. If I want to change this proxy with 220 on the end, I just click on change instance IP address button. Oh, you can try these proxies are working before I start changing the proxy IP. So let's see, 220 is working. Okay, so the proxy with 220 on the end has been changed to 37 on the end. So I will try this proxy here. Then this proxy will not work anymore. And as I see, it's not working. So I'm just going to copy the new proxy. And let's try this. So the proxy with 37 on the end is working normally, while this one, the old proxy, is not working anymore. Okay. Can do the same thing for Google Cloud. So for Google Cloud, we're using proxy with 90 on the end. And as you can see, the Google Cloud proxy has been changed to 30 on the end. So I'm going to copy this new proxy. And, yeah, so this one is not working anymore, and this is the new one. Oh, or yeah, no, this one is not working on anymore, and this one will be working. Okay, so that's how it's working. This was the old one on Amazon, and this was the old one on Google Cloud. You can also stop instance. So I'm going to stop instance when you don't need the proxy anymore. You can just stop this proxy. Uh, you can also stop or change proxy IP address once per 10 minutes. So here you can see that I need to wait 2 minutes before I can stop or change IP address of this instance. Okay, so this instance has been stopped, and now we can start this instance. This will cause that the IP address of this instance will be changed as well. So Right now it is 251 on the end. And as you see, it's right now 129. Okay. So this one is not working anymore. I will remove this. So all of these proxies are working now, and that's pretty much it. If you change this way, uh, or even stop instance, and you already sold some of these proxies on marketplace, then the buyer will receive a refund immediately. Okay, because the old IP address can't be used anymore. When you change the IP address or stop instance. If you have auto management credentials created with these proxies and you change them, they will automatically be changed in the auto management as well. If you're using routers with cloud instances, then your routers reload new will remove all IP address or all proxy IP addresses and add new proxy IP addresses automatically. Uh, you can see that I'm using filter and I'm showing you only HTTP IPv4 proxies. And if you want, you can just see 65 IPv4 proxies this way. You can just download the filtered selection just by click on the button. You are not downloading everything, just what you have checked. And once you don't need these proxies, you can just remove the instances one by one, or in account list all the instances for the single profile. So that's all from me now. Thank you for watching, and see you next video.